Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's our topic is creating and marketing the image of biotechnology companies. Biotechnology in various stages, there are different kinds of development. It is well known technical application of biological material is considered to be biotechnology. To understand how biotechnology works, it is important to think about the starting point of the material of biotechnology processes. Generally, biotechnology utilizes living material or biological products to generate new products for use in various medical, agriculture, pharmaceutical, environment application. The ultimate goals of biotechnology is the benefit humanity by, for example, the production of resistance crops, vegetables, recombinant proteins, higher milk product producing animals. And it is not surprising that so many discoveries that have improved our society by increasing efficiency, adding capabilities, and bettering health have come from basic research done in university, however, are not equipped to fully translate technology out of the academic labs into the market, and a separate vehicles is needed to truly fulfill the promises to societal impacts. Startups are vehicle needed to be translation for three key reasons. First, startups can be address key technical risk and arrive and go no go decision point with the relatively low amounts of the capitals and close to no overhead. For importance, highly capitalized startups are incentivized to listen to their investor and advisor and act swiftly. A feat that easily said that but no more rarely achieved in this. If the startup wishes to survive the achievement of milestone, it's not optional. Thus, every experiment is tailored at the answering the question. Data must be not only publication worthy but more important worth millions of investor dollars and year of work. Second, founders must constantly assess risk and the through studies essential to select the best market for the technology with several potential applications. The selective pressures for the early stage startups are extremely high when all the contribution to viable business models are considered. This pressure enable a competitive marketplace for the best idea. In such a marketplace, the startup structure allows to the ability to power to remain business models involved. Startups founders can be ensure that the technology have viable market and they create a validate plans to get there. Third, startups allow to the correct alignment of incentives for their founders in term of real world impact on the financial returns. It can be dedicated the time to build new opportunities and found new keys of the inventions. There are some reasons like identify the unmet need to your technology addresses, build a high quality, well-rounded teams, and need to be understand incentives and use their driving your company to the success and get quality legal advices. Then money search under every rock about respect your investors, be unfocused at the beginning but learn to identify opportunities, identify your white hot risks and use your time wisely. Test and build your business model. No, you do not need to business person. Yes, you can be use scientific approaches too. Be lean and tell a story without giving any away from your secrets. Inform yourself, do not give up, and get ready for best roller coaster rides. So, this is all about creating a business marketing in a biotechnology companies. Thank you.